Now I am going to teach you working stress. What is working stress? The stress that is capable of preventing failure is called the working stress or allowable stress. In applications, it is customary for the designer to apply suitable margin against failure so that the maximum stress induced in the component it is kept well below the failure stress. Working stress. Working stress is the safe stress taken within the elastic range of the material. For brittle material, it is taken equal to the ultimate strength divided by the suitable factor of safety. However, for material possessing well-defined yield strength, yield point is equal to yield stress divided by the factor of safety. It is the stress which accounts all sorts uncertainties. Working stress equal to ultimate strength by factor of safety. For a brittle material and for a ductile material, working stress equal to yield strength by factor of safety. It is also called the allowable stress, permissible stress, or actual stress or safe stress. Now, what is factor of safety? Factor of safety is a number used to determine the working stress. It is fixed based on the experimental works on the material. In accounts all uncertainties such as material defect, unforeseen loads, manufacturing defects, unskilled workmanship, temperature effects, etc. Factor of safety is a dimensionless number. It is fixed based on experimental works on each material. Factor of safety equal to ultimate strength by working stress for brittle material and factor of safety equal to yield strength by working stress for ductile material. It is defined as the ratio of ultimate stress to working stress for brittle material or yield stress working stress for ductile material. Now lateral strength. In quantum mechanics, lateral strain is also known as the transverse strain. Is defined as the ratio of the change in diameter of a circular bar of a material to its diameter due to the deformation in the longitudinal direction. It occurs when, under the action of the longitudinal stress, a body will extend in the direction of the stress and contract in the transverse or lateral direction. In the case of tensile stress, when put under the compression, the body will contract in the direction of the stress and extend in the transverse or lateral direction. It is a dimensionless quantity as it is a ratio between two quantities of the same dimensions. Poisson ratio. What is Poisson ratio? Poisson ratio is the ratio of the transverse contraction strain to longitudinal extension strain in the direction of the stretching force. Here, compressive deformation is considered negative, tensile deformation is considered positive. Now, volumetric strain and bulk modulus. Volumetric strain. When a body is subjected to system of forces, it undergoes some changes in its dimensions. In other words, the volume of a body is changed. The ratio of the change in volume to the original volume is known as the volumetric strain. Mathematically, volumetric strain equal to EV equal to delta V by V horizontal, where the delta V equal to change in volume, capital V is equal to original volume, and note 1, number 1, volumetric strain of a rectangular body subjected to an axial force is given as EV equal to delta V by V equal to E second bracket 1 minus 2 by M, where equal to linear strain. Volumetric, number 2, volumetric strain of a rectangular body subjected to 3 mutually perpendicular forces is given by EV equal to EX plus EY plus EZ, where EX is Y and EZ are the strain in the direction x axis, y axis and z axis.